us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Okay, please be seated. Deputy Chancellor, graduates, guests, and members of the university community, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Tim Maillet. I'm the Director of Future Learners for the Lifetime Learner Experience Unit here at UTS. Graduations are one of the university's most important events. This year, the university will hold over 50 ceremonies here in Sydney and in Shanghai. I'd like to introduce to you the official party who are here on stage. Seated at the center of the stage is Dr. John Laker, AO, Deputy Chancellor of the university, who will preside over this ceremony. The Deputy Chancellor is joined today by Professor Andrew Parfitt, Vice Chancellor and President, Ms. Jamie Chiuk, who will deliver the occasional address this afternoon. Distinguished Professor Daichao Sheng, Head of School of Civil and Environmental Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, who will be presenting graduates. The other people seated on stage are Ms. Diane Hill and Mr. Anthony Reardon, members of UTS Council. Professors, academics, and professional staff from faculties and institutes who have played such a large part in the success of today's graduates. I would also like to acknowledge our members of staff who are graduating today. Jade Jiang, Marianne Kausar, Georgia May McCarthy, and Piyush Punetta. Congratulations. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Dr. John Laker, AO, Deputy Chancellor, to officially open proceedings.
Graduands, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. In the name of the Council, I declare this congregation of the University of Technology, Sydney, duly assembled. On behalf of the University of Technology, Sydney, before we begin the proceedings and on behalf of all here present, I would like to acknowledge and pay respect to the traditional owners of the land on which we meet, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation. It is upon their ancestral lands that UTS stands. Similarly, I would also pay respect to the elders both past and present, acknowledging them as the custodians of knowledge for this place. In this graduation ceremony, we will celebrate the conferral of awards upon graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology. Today's ceremony marks a great achievement for the graduates and recognises the support which they have received from family and friends, many of whom are here today. We warmly welcome you, and together we celebrate the achievement of the graduates. I now invite distinguished Professor Daichao Sheng, Head of School of Civil and Environmental Engineering of the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology, to present graduates.
Deputy Chancellor, I invite graduates in the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology to stand. Deputy Chancellor, the UTS Council has resolved that candidates recommended to it by the faculty board in the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology as eligible for awards have completed all requirements of a course of study approved by the board and has conferred these awards upon them. Deputy Chancellor, I now present those graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology who are here before you to acknowledge the award for which they have been qualified.
On behalf of the Council of the University of Technology, Sydney, I congratulate graduates on their achievements in obtaining the awards for which they have qualified.
Graduates, please be seated. Deputy Chancellor, research degree programs, including PhD and master by thesis, are instrumental in helping us to achieve our vision to be a world of leading faculty of engineering and information technology. In addition to the passion and the commitment, our research students cohort contributes innovative and entrepreneurial ideas that advance UTS and the field at large. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you receiving research degrees. The following students have graduated with Doctor of Philosophy: Menets Anibeklo, for a thesis entitled Risk Assessment and Vulnerability Analysis on Long-Term Settlement of Soft Soils, supported by a supervisory panel that include Principal Supervisor, Professor Hadi Kabatz, Co-Supervisor, Associate Professor Bezat Fatahi. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Menats Anibeklo. An, for a thesis entitled Development of Mixed Hardening Hyperviscoplasticity Constitutive Model for Soil Incorporating Creep and the Fabric Effect, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Hadi Kabatz, Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Bezat Fatahi. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. An. Chen Chen for a thesis entitled Secure and Efficient Dynamic Spectrum Access Solution for Future Wireless Networks, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Eric Dadkiewicz and the Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Deep Nguyen. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Chen Chen. Zhengguo Shi for a thesis entitled Device-Free Wi-Fi Sensing of Human Activity Recognition, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Jian Zhang, Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Yi Da Xu. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Zhengguo Shi. Sumota Dango for a thesis entitled Development of Geopolymer Concrete for Precast Pipe Applications, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. Jun Li, Co-Supervisor Dr. Rijun Shrestha, Dr. Gauri Gauripana, and the Professor Wout Sirivantalan. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Sumata Dango. Abhirab Dikshi for a thesis entitled Advancing Drought Understanding Use Multispectral Satellite-Derived Products and Reanalysis Data on the Climate Change and Extreme Events, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Biswajit Pradhan, Co-Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Alfredo White. Deputy Chancellor, I now present to you Dr. Abhirab Dikshi. Jade Jash Jiang for a thesis entitled Compact and Robust Membrane Bioreactor for Source-Separated Urine Resources Recovery for a Circular Economy, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Hawk-Yang Xiang, Co-Supervisor Dr. Sharaf Fansho. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Jade Jiaxi Jiang. Pei Ran Ni for a thesis entitled The Hydration, Thermodynamic Modeling, Mechanical Properties, and the Microstructure of Portland Cement in Seawater, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Associate Professor Wen Gui Ni, and Co-Supervisor Professor Zhang Zhu. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Pei Ran Ni. Niva Kumar Meena for a thesis entitled Assessment of Soil Arching in a Pile-Supported Railway Embankment and the Moving Train Node and Earthquake, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Associate Professor Sanjay Nimbaka, Co-Supervisor, Associate Professor Bezat Fatahi. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Navin Kumar Meena. T. Suk Quinn Nguyen for a thesis entitled Novel Adsorption Electrocoagulation in Arsenate Removal from Water, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Dr. T. Nguyen, Co-Supervisor Emeritus Professor Vijay Veswana, and the Distinguished Professor Hao Liu. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. T. Suk Quinn Nguyen. Piyushi Panatha for a thesis entitled Dynamic Behavior of Ballasted Railway Track with Special References to Transition Zone, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Associate Professor Sanjay Nimbaka, Co-Supervisor Professor Hadi Kabatz. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Piyush Panatha. Hunin Chu for a thesis entitled Performance of Sustainable and Lower Carbon Cementitious Composites under Aggressive Environment Conditions, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Associate Professor Wen Guanyi, Co-Supervisor Professor John Zhou. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Fu Nian Chu. Yu Zhi Shao for a thesis entitled Development, Mechanical Behavior, and the Impact Resistance of Sustainable Steel Fiber Reinforced Dry Ultra-High Performance Concrete, supported by supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Chen-Qing Wu and the Co-Supervisor Dr. Jun Li. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Yu Zhi Shao. Shaha Soleimani Martin for a thesis entitled Developing a Special Framework for Earthquake-Induced Building Damage Assessment using Remote Sensing Data and Advanced Machine Learning Methods, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Biswajit Pradhan, Co-Supervisor Mawson Natapur. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Shaha Soleimani Martin. Hai Chuan Tan for a thesis entitled Modeling Flowable Engineered Cementitious Composite and its Fiber Orientation and Distribution for Tensor Performance Evaluation, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Jin Chun Li, Co-Supervisor Jin Go Wang. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Hai Chuan Tan. Michael Winnold for a thesis entitled Optimization Landfill Settlement Prediction to Cutter Transport Infrastructure on Closed Landfills, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Hadi Kabatz, Co-Supervisor Associate Professor Bezat Fatahi. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Michael Winnold. Chongming Wu for a thesis entitled Phosphorus Removal and Recovery from Snatch Centrate using Membrane and Steel Make Snack, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor Professor Dak Long Nguyen, Co-Supervisor Distinguished Professor Hao No. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Chongming Wu. Hao Dian Xu for a thesis entitled Stability of Slopes and the Runout of Landslides, Stochastic Analysis with Machine Learning, supported by a supervisory panel that included Principal Supervisor, Distinguished Professor Dai Chaoxin, Co-Supervisor Professor Hadi Kabatz, Dr. Xu Zhenghe, Dr. Di Wu. Deputy Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Haoding Xu. Deputy Chancellor, we now present to you our coursework graduates receiving awards today.
The following students have graduated with a Master of Business Administration, Master of Engineering Management. Paul Marty Jordan Ocampo Fuentes. George Carniche. Manasa Kotha. Mahdia Muradian. Master of Engineering Melissa Page Cooper. Master of Engineering in Civil Engineering Arjun Adhikari. Manish Aryal. Rimdi Niranjana Jayawadana. Thiba Karan Kanesh Alingam. Yuj Saga Katiwada. Digvijay Rajendra Mane. Devashish Rohit. Priya Darshan Udas. Fan Wu. Master of Engineering in Geotechnical Engineering, Suhel Karki. Angela Atieno Ogola.
Tilek Suresh. Harish Kumar Thankarasu. Master of Engineering in Manufacturing and Engineering and Management, Waqar Ahmad Shah. Kai Hei Yu. Master of Engineering in Robotics, Faisal. Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Ashish Acharya. Kamal Acharya. Piyush Amatia. Pinakshi Dutta Chaudhary. Nawaraj Dakal. Irene Dongo. Keshav Kandil. Narayan Khatka. Abin Kania. Nikhil Rodiya. Remshed Shahir. Madan Rijal. Rikina Shakya. Haimanta Subedi. Tamana Upreti. Master of Engineering in Water Engineering, Lee Williams. Master of Environmental Engineering Management, Liang Kimze Se. Master of Professional Engineering in Civil Engineering, Umer Abbas. Bhavik Rajesh Balia. Vibhas Gurung. Meet Rajesh Kumar Kakkar. Krijan Mahajan. Ian Francis Salak. Alexander James Sape. Megant Krishna Shanmugam. Master of Professional Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Akash Lomesh Kumar Barot. Sayam Gautam. Yash Pankaj Kumar Joshi. Mit Pradesh Kamar. Puchani Lapruenurudi. Chuck Ian Lan Lee. Adil Nasir. Sapan Pandey. Tushar Sanjay Patel. Vignesh Srinivasan. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Atharwar Baral. Din Foy Chow. Andre de la Cruz. Sansi Huang. Wei Ming Huang. Tasfia Imtiaz Tanha. Vaneshan Kanathasan. Rishi Kaushik. Xinwei Li. Vignu Norak Fab. Hui Chiang Su. Thura Hayen Mint. Dien Ge Yu. Yi Zhe Zuo. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Business with Distinction, Marin Lee Fairs. Ria Sharma. Jackson Edgar Smith. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Curtis Graham Bennett. Juin Ru Cheng. William Wayne Davis. Kevin Marcello. Peter Petrov. E. Wu. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours Division 1, Bachelor of Business with credit Edanur Adar. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours Division 1, Bachelor of Business, Hayley Wong. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours Division 2, Utsav Dakar. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering with Second Class Honours Division 2, Bachelor of Business with credit Rachel Alyssa Jacob. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Swason Nasser El Al-Shayeb. Mohammed Anik Intiser Niloy. Zo Koe Het. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Business, Sahil Sharma. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Nicholas Bradbury. Antonio Charbel Chalita. Jose Antonio Chanco. Brandon Feng Tze Choi. Indy Joshua Connolly. Benedict Samuel Cutts. Benjamin Dunlop. Mahir Tazwa Hassan. Odisho Kako. George Kanan. Nishant Kumar. Aaron Liu. Nathan Liu. Joseph Maloyan. Carla Jane Bargamento Manso. Hana Numazawa. Demi Nicole Skimbers. Nathan Chan. Matthew Teal. Edmund Toole. Jessica Walker. Jack Whitehorn. Henry Jing. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Oliver Robert Bergen. Alexander Yik Kun Chan. Bradley Foster. Nakia Hassanali. Ekanch Jain. Mahda Kehani. Eric Liu. Najishkan Mohanathasan. Shamal Pranav Prasad. Jonathan Hillary Soanes. Bakus Sood. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Christopher Georges Atzi. Walid Malikzada. Anthony Mellon. Emmy Messiha. Niloy Roy. Matthew Tamer. Jared van Kampen. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Joey Abu Zaid. Harun Arya. Gurpreet Singh Grewal. Lachlan Thomas Hawkins. Phi Long Jimmy Huang. Syed Ibrar. Xiaoping Paul Lin. Sinthuja Selvanathan. Ibrahim Wehber. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering with First Class Honours, Wilson Suteja. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Harrison Bush. Benjamin Falk. Hyuntae Kim. Dennis Kwang Jang Lu. Thomas Arthur Graham Wright. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, a Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Alexander John Charles Smith. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Civil and Environmental Engineering, a Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Brandon Lee. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechanical Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, James Rayside. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with First Class Honours, Fok Tan Huynh. Hee Chan Kwon. Justin Sear. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Medical Science, Eleanor Hebden. George Parker. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with First Class Honours, Bachelor of Science in Nanotechnology, George Victor Sheslow. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Alexander Audi. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Bachelor of Science in Medical Science, Stephanie Kramer. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Bachelor of Science in Nanotechnology, Cameron Sarkis. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechatronic Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with First Class Honours, Bujepen Daji. Bachelor of Engineering, Honours in Mechatronic Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 1, Georgia May McCarthy. Alexander Perry. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechatronic Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice with Second Class Honours, Division 2, Charles Neal. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Mechatronic Engineering, Diploma in Professional Engineering Practice, Mariam Kosor. Daniel Turai. Bachelor of Engineering Science in Civil Engineering with distinction, Yu Hao Chen. Bachelor of Engineering Science in Civil Engineering with credit, Zhiliang Deng. Jie Ma. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Robert Akajanian. Muhammad Wakas Ayub. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Diploma in Engineering Practice, Fadi Dawud. Rohan Sharma. Bachelor of Engineering in Civil and Environmental Engineering, Francie Juliet Betancourt Granados. Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Sunil Lamichane. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Civil Engineering, Ming Chang Tam.
Deputy Chancellor, this concludes the presentation of graduates from the Faculty of Engineering and Information Technology.
Family and friends, this has been a very long graduation ceremony. You've been a remarkably restrained audience, except of course for a few wives, one brother and one little daughter. We have their names, they'll be asked to leave. No. They've entered into it in the right spirit, and this is the point at which I want you to join with me in congratulating all of our new graduates on attaining their degrees. It's a privilege and a pleasure for me to do it, but it must be more so for you. So make as much noise as you can to congratulate these fine graduates. That felt good, didn't it? Graduates, today in our great hall you have graduated from one of the world's top 10 young universities. Young because UTS is yet to reach its 50th birthday, but the ceremony of graduation itself is one of the world's oldest. It dates back 800 years to the establishment of the first European universities in the 12th century. Then, if you can imagine, you would have been taking your exams in Latin. Your graduation cap and gown are modelled on the attire of medieval clerics who used to teach at those universities. But then you would have worn your gown every day simply to keep warm in the dark, damp and unheated halls of learning of Oxford or Bologna or Paris. Today your graduation cap and gown are a symbol of recognition and achievement. Wear them with pride. Graduation is indeed a great tradition and a special rite of passage, as it should be, because graduation marks an important milestone in your lives. The word graduation comes from the Latin, gradus, meaning step, and today you take a further significant step in your personal and professional development. University study has its fun, we do know that, but it requires a strong commitment to hard work and long hours. Inevitably too, it involves sacrifices, whether they be of immediate career opportunity, your family and friends, your social life, or for a number of you, the familiarity of your own country. And of course, many, if not most of you, began your studies or continued your studies during the unprecedented disruption of the COVID-19 pandemic, which brought campus life to an end. Thankfully, though, you have been able to complete your studies on a campus that is once again buzzing with activity. Your resilience, your commitment will be amply rewarded as you apply your new skills and insights in your professional life, but today, the satisfaction of completing a high calibre degree in difficult circumstances is reward in itself. Enjoy that sense of satisfaction because you've earned it. And for all the parents, partners and friends here today, this is an occasion also of great pride. You have lived through the stresses which the graduates have faced. You have given them your support and encouragement, and I am sure that they would want to acknowledge that. So graduates, this is your chance. Please stand, face your family and friends, and give them a rousing round of applause because they too have earned it. Thank you. The world that you as graduates are entering is a complex and challenging one. The new normal in the wake of COVID-19 is still evolving, but it is an exciting world. The workplace has become more flexible than ever before. Change is a constant. Artificial intelligence is developing rapidly. Digital disruption has become a powerful force. And new industries based on global data platforms are being established which are changing the way we live, the way we communicate, the way we work. This is a world of opportunities for you where you can test your newfound skills with employers, large or small, at home or abroad, or even create the organisations in which you work. The energies which you have devoted to your studies can now be unleashed into today's exciting world. Take the challenges on with enthusiasm, inspire your colleagues, and bring your talents into play. Your time at UTS will have prepared you well. Employers have a high regard for UTS graduates because of your ability to adapt and innovate, to work collaboratively with people of different backgrounds and viewpoints, and to cope with pressure and tight deadlines. In a competitive world, UTS graduates are very employable. You now join an outstanding group of UTS alumni, some 270 to 280,000 creative and innovative graduates which are making their mark in all walks of life. Reach out to this global network where you can. Many of the alumni can be helpful to you in your careers. And please stay in touch with UTS. Our alumni office is your lifelong connection to UTS, so please keep them up to date on your movements. Of course, your time as a student may not end today. This rapidly changing world will require you to refresh your skills and to gain new skills and knowledge again and again throughout your careers. Society is transforming to a lifetime of learning to keep pace with change, and UTS is in the forefront of this transformation. Drawing on its excellent research and its close links with industry, UTS has been introducing new courses and programs that will support individual learning and professional skills development for individuals throughout your whole lives. We hope to see you in this great hall again. Your graduation also comes at a time when humanity is facing some profound global challenges. Economic anxiety, climate change, the growing polarisation of societies, the tragic human tide of refugees, inequalities in their many unwelcome forms, the horrors of war, and a challenge that may touch your professional life more directly, the loss of public trust around the globe in major institutions, whether in government, finance, media, or just big business. The causes of this loss of trust are complex, but moral and ethical shortcomings and failures of leadership are at the core. And this, graduates, is where you come in. You leave this university as the pride of the university, as the flag bearers for the next generation of bright minds and responsible citizens. Can I suggest that you make the values of trust, honesty, and integrity the guiding beacons for your future development as professionals? How do you do this? Let me offer 3 simple pieces of advice. Firstly, choose your employer wisely. You are part of a new generation that is demanding higher ethical standards from organisation, a generation that believes it has a responsibility to make society fairer and better rather than to pass it to others or to the future. Satisfy yourself that trust and a clear purpose of contributing value to society are part of the ethos of any organisation that you join. Secondly, identify the values that are important to you and live them in the way you conduct yourself in the workplace and outside. Take personal accountability for your actions and be willing to be judged by them. Speak up, but be ready to be challenged. At times when you are not sure what to do, bring your own strong moral compass to bear on your decisions and do what you think is right. Do yourselves, your families and your universities proud by maintaining the highest professional and ethical standards. The best advice I can give you finally is that you make your word your bond. There is no more powerful demonstration of your integrity than that you honour your word. Nothing more and nothing less. Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, sums it up well when he said, "Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. And most important, have the courage to follow your heart and intuition." On that note, let me once again congratulate our new graduates on your success. Our best wishes and pride go with each and every one of you. Your degree will open up opportunities in any number of roles. Seize them in both hands and do well. Thank you. I now invite Professor Andrew Parfitt, Vice-Chancellor and President, to introduce the occasional speaker.
Deputy Chancellor, before I introduce this afternoon's speaker, let me add my congratulations to all of you who are graduating. You've each followed a different path that's brought you here to this place, and I hope you've enjoyed your time with UTS. Please do stay in touch with us and share with us the successes that you will inevitably have as you progress your careers. For our part, we undertake always to strive for excellence in what we do, in the education we provide, in the research that we conduct, in the way in which we engage with partners in business and the community, so that the degree that you take from us today will continue to be recognised across Australia and around the world well into the future. So I wish you all my very best wishes for your future careers. Our occasional speaker today is Ms. Jamie Chook. Ms. Chook is a project engineer at John Holland Group. She is currently working on Sydney Metro West Eastern Tunnelling Package as part of the construction team for the excavation and civil works for the Cavan Station at Pyrmont. Since graduating from UTS in 2015, she has contributed to several major infrastructure projects that have transformed Sydney's transportation network. This includes tunnels such as North Connects, West Connects, M4 East, Rozelle Interchange, and Sydney Metro City and South West. As part of the iconic project at Sydney Metro City and South West, Jamie managed the project life of the slurry tunnel boring machine named Kathleen, which bored twin rail tunnels 40 metres under Sydney Harbour for Barangaroo to Blues Point. This began with receiving the delivery of the machine from Barangaroo, then assembly, launch, excavation, retrieval, disassembly and return to China for refurbishment. She and her team were also responsible for making sure the surface of the construction site was returned to its former beauty and integrated seamlessly with the surrounding public spaces along the Barangaroo foreshore. Jamie is committed to projects which have lasting benefits to the community and improving people's lives for years to come. She appreciates the importance of teamwork and collaboration. Being part of mega projects relies on working with great people from all over the world and applying global best practice techniques in combination with local site-specific conditions. In 2022, Jamie was awarded Alumni Award for Excellence from the Faculty of Engineering and IT. It gives me great pleasure to invite Ms. Jamie Chook to deliver this afternoon's occasional address.
Thank you very much for the introduction. Good afternoon, Deputy Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, Presiding Dean, staff, distinguished guests, graduates, families and friends. I'd like to acknowledge the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation upon whose ancestral land our university stands. I'd also like to pay my respects to the elders, past, present, emerging, and extend that respect to the Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders who are present here today. Congratulations to all of you. We are so proud. To our graduates, you have done incredibly well to complete your degrees. What a milestone. The blood, sweat, and tears to complete your capstone or thesis, assignments, and exams is not to be underestimated, because I still remember that experience very clearly. To our graduates, parents, families, and friends, thank you very much for your continual support. You have seen their hard work, commitment, and perseverance. They have discovered what they're capable of and the potentials to be our future leaders. To our staff, thank you for your dedication to engage and empower our graduates. You have shared knowledge and skills which our graduates will continue to draw upon in their careers and future endeavours. Quoting John Carrick from Legacy of Mad Scientists, knowledge is the greatest power, and it is something no one can see. It cannot be stolen or broken. No one can take it from you. Today's graduation is not the end of your learning journey. As you progress through your careers, you need to stay open-minded and continue to learn. Lifelong learning ensures engineers stay relevant and ahead of the curve. Engineering is a career of constant learning and constant improvement. It is about looking what doesn't work and fixing it. It is about looking what does work and making it work better. To do this, we must look into ourselves from time to time. We must consider how we can improve ourselves, our skills, our experiences, and our understanding. Like segments of a tunnel lining, each ring is built upon the last and used to push us forward. The skills we learn from our degrees will apply to our careers and built upon. Our experiences on one project help us to improve the next. So too do our mistakes. And yes, there will be mistakes. But don't get disheartened. Mistakes are valuable learning opportunities, even more so than successes. Mistakes teach us what doesn't work and encourages us to shift our mindset and find better ways to complete tasks. During my career, the technologies used on site has advanced from each project to the next. Technology such as drones and rovers has allowed remote monitoring and inspection, which improves safety by eliminating risks such as working at heights, confined space, and working near water. Real-time data collection is used to optimize performance and productivity. The tracking of material handling and production methods has increased the visibility and traceability of the product's carbon footprint throughout the product lifecycle. Engineers have a responsibility to not only mitigate environmental risks, but find opportunities to reverse that damage. We need to strive to minimize waste and maximize value by using these technologies. More connected systems are also more complex. Engineers need to understand how these systems interact and what data output really means. Effective data management and data use will aid engineers to design and build more efficient, consistent, and sustainable products. As technology advances rapidly, customer demands will grow. Engineers need to be agile and resourceful to make use of all the tools available. I'm excited to witness how you will harness new technologies and what you will achieve. Be curious. Curiosity encourages us to challenge the popular opinion and look for opportunities to improve. Curiosity is a catalyst for creativity. We have all heard that there's no one-size-fits-all solutions. You will learn the conventional way to complete tasks. Do not blindly accept your programming. As graduates, you bring a fresh perspective to the task. Use this as a strength and find new ideas to challenge the status quo. As technology advances, new techniques and methodologies will be developed. I have no doubt that any of you in this cohort could be the creators of these new techniques and methodologies. As engineers, we always want to optimize. We want to do things better. We want to make the world around us better. Embrace, encourage, and engineer change. Change is scary, but no change is just as scary. The opportunities are limitless. In fact, the degree you attain today is your boarding pass. It will allow you to work locally and globally. After enduring COVID-19, you have also experienced working remotely. You can work for anyone in the world from anywhere in the world. Don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone and see how far your degree can take you. I hope you had some fun and built a network while studying at UTS. I found some lifelong friends and my partner here, alumni who have been part of a diverse range of works. I certainly would not be where I am without the support of my family and friends. To this day, they are my cheerleaders, supporting me not only through their words, but also their actions, showing up and being there when I need them. I have worked some long hours and difficult times in my career. There are days when it is not easy to wake up. And I must remind myself why I'm doing what I'm doing. I want to make a difference. I want to make my family and my community proud. And I believe we, as engineers, can be part of a positive change that have long-lasting impacts to our communities. Continue to build your network. Talk to the people around you, learn from their experiences. When in doubt, ask. Not one single person knows everything. Engineers thrive on challenges. A lot of the times, the challenge cannot be solved by one person. As you progress through your career and life, the problems that you will come across will only increase in size and significance. These will require collaborating with people from diverse backgrounds and experiences. I used to watch these mega project documentaries thinking how awesome it would be to see mega project in person. And now I have been part of teams which build these mega structures and infrastructure projects. I'd love for anyone to experience that moment of glory when problems are solved and appreciate how much we can achieve when we work together. Keep at it, and you will be the one answering all of these questions. In conclusion, keep learning, be curious, and build your network. I'm so pleased to share this special day with you. You have reached the light at the end of the tunnel. In my case, I usually start another tunnel. But in your case, it is the beginning of a new chapter. Quoting Dr. Emmett Brown from Back to the Future, "The future is what you make of it, so make it a good one." Thank you very much.
Graduations are indeed among the most important occasions in the life of a university, and we're very fortunate at UTS to have some of the most accomplished people in our community speak to us at these times. Ms. Jamie Chook is an engineering leader and an innovator, and you've heard from her the importance of knowledge, to be open-minded, to learn and improve, to build on your experiences, to learn from others, to learn from mistakes, to find the tunnel. You've learned the role of to respect new technologies and use them to minimise waste and protect the environment. Importantly, to embrace change, because change can lead to better outcomes. Wise advice on today's occasion. Would you join me in thanking again Jamie Chook for this afternoon's address?
Deputy Chancellor, guests and graduates, that occasional address concludes the formal proceedings of this ceremony. On behalf of the Deputy Chancellor, I invite you to join the official party for refreshments. These will be served in the Great Hall foyer and in the balcony room adjoining the hall, so just around the corner here. The photography, framing, and memorabilia services are located on level 4, which is just down the stairs. The academic procession is about to leave the Great Hall. So as it does, I invite our new graduates to join the procession, which will end in the balcony room. Would the congregation please rise for the academic procession?